How to get clients from social media. Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Isaac Vera, and today I'm going to be talking about how to get clients through social media as a complete beginner barber. I know that starting out is a little bit tough, but you don't have to have a big client list. Maybe you're just still building your confidence, but trust me, social media can be your best tool when it comes to finding people that actually want to sit in your chair. Okay, so I'm breaking it down into three simple steps that you can just follow. Okay, the first step is post the right content. Second, use social media features to your advantage. Then turn your followers into high paying clients. Okay, so let's get to it. I'm gonna break it down so you guys don't get lost. Okay, step number one is post the right content. Okay, as a beginner barber, your goal isn't to look perfect or just to look the best barber out there. It's to show progress and value. People want to see you. People want to see your progress and your value. People want to see what you can do. Okay, so post before and after pictures of your haircuts. Post quick clips or videos of lineups, fades, or beard trims, what you can do. Post your personality as well. People don't just buy a haircut. People buy the experience of sitting in your chair. So they have to know you and they have to like you, trust you, and know you. Okay, so you don't need the fancy camera. Your phone is just perfect, it's good. You don't actually need that to spend a lot of money on camera right now, but you can just do that later on. Okay, just make sure that there's good lighting, good light, and clean background, and also keep it consistent, which is the most key into social media. Step number two is using social media features. Okay, so now let's talk about platforms. If you're starting out, Instagram and TikTok are your best friends. Use reels and short videos. The algorithm pushes the short videos more. The algorithm pushes them. Add your location in the captions and hashtags. For example, if you are cutting in Chicago, put hashtag Chicago Barber or Chicago Fades or Chicago Barbershops, etc. That way, people near you find your work. Another key example that I can give you is me, for example, when I post up my work, I usually try to put a hashtag of the villages or of the 4 villages that are around me. For example, if I cut here in Berkeley, Illinois, I put Elmhurst, which is right next to it. I put Stone Park, Melrose Park, Bellwood, etc. Villages that are around the area, but not farther than 25 minutes, just so I can target more people and to get into my chair in which where I cut hair at. Okay, that's another key point. Use stories daily. Show your shop, show your tools, even a selfie with a client if they're cool with it, of course. Stories keep you on top of mind. Don't sleep on Facebook groups as well or marketplace. Post a picture of your work and offer discounted cuts to build your foundation or base of clientele. Okay, so the step number three is basically converting those followers into clients. Okay, so here's the most important part: getting people out of their app into your chair. Always have a clear call to action or CTA to put your booking info right before your post, right below your post. If you don't have a booking site, you can just put your phone number in there, but I would recommend you to download Booksy or In the Cut, whatever app you use, but have your CTA, your call to action, under every post that you put, because that is going to be guiding the people that are actually looking at your content and engaging with your content to actually commit and book that haircut appointment. Okay, so always reply fast. If someone comments or DMs you, don't wait hours. Show them that you're professional and hungry and ambitious as a barber. Okay, offer a first time discounted or free add-on, like a free beer or free eyebrow lineup, whatever, just to get people into your chair. Okay, people love deals, and once they sit in your chair, encourage them. Okay, because they'll come back. And lastly, encourage your clients to tag you in their pictures. That's free marketing. Or another tactic that you can actually do is, I always, if you guys see, when I post my haircuts or even my stories, I always tag my clients because they actually want to be seen. People want attention. So if you just tag the people that you're caught up with, they're going to repost you. And even if they don't repost you, they are going to send that haircut or that picture or that video to some of their friends, because trust me, they do that. People love attention. Okay, so here are some extra tips. Okay, a couple of quick tips. Stay consistent. Post 3 to 4 times a week is perfect. You don't have to go over the bench for that. And stay consistent. Okay, main key. Use trending sounds or music that is trending on TikTok, because people usually tend to get hooked by that. Okay, don't compare yourself to barbers with 100K followers. Just focus on building your local brand and presence. Like everybody else started from the bottom, from the ground up, and you'll be fine. Trust me. You don't need a lot of followers to have 40 people every week in your chair. Just think about that. Think about it like that. So that's how you can start getting clients through social media as a beginner barber. Post your work, use platforms, but use them correctly, like the stories, reels, etc., carousel, etc., TikTok, and make it easy for people to book with you. That's why you have to have a call to action or a booking link to book with you. If this has helped, drop a like or comment in the community group and let me know what you guys think of this module. And if you guys have any question, just don't forget to always ask me in the community group chat. So I hope this video helped you guys and somehow, and I see you guys on the next one. Take care.